In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a Tableau report that I have uploaded to Tableau server that is linked to an Excel file saved on a network drive. So here I have a simple sales chart that I've created that shows by month sales, and then the green line represents the profit percentage. And this is linked to an Excel file that I have saved on a network drive that has the date, the sales in dollars, profit in dollars, and then the profit percent. And now a common use case might be having to update this report every month, getting actuals, populating those actuals. So I update the Excel file, saving that, and then figuring out how I can link that to my Tableau report so that when I hit refresh, it automatically updates based on the new data in that Excel file. So let's walk through the steps to do that. There are 4 simple steps that you need to go through. Number 1, save the Excel file on the network drive. Number 2 is you need to find the UNC, or the Universal Naming Convention, for the file. Number 3, link your Tableau workbook to that Excel file using the Universal Naming Convention. And then number 4, you publish the report to Tableau server. So step 1, I have already saved this file onto a network drive. Step 2, what I'm going to do is find the UNC. So to do that, open up the command prompt. You can hit start, press CMD, and then in your command prompt you're going to type net space use. It will provide a list of all of your mapped network drives. In this case, you can see that I have this public drive that is mapped to the letter P. I want this UNC where it says /files/public, because this is the path of where my file is saved, and I'm going to use this name instead of where I would normally use this letter P. The reason that's important is because then Tableau will always be able to find the file by using this Universal Naming Convention. So step 3, open up our Tableau workbook, and we're going to link to that Excel file. In this case, I already have the file linked, but if you don't, you can just go to connections, hit add an Excel file. In this case, I'm going to select my sales data, hit edit connection, and then in here, instead of navigating to the file, I'm just going to type in the path of it. So in this case, I have the file, I know it's called salesdata.xlsx, and I saved it to the root of this public drive. So I just typed it in, hit open. That's linked now. And then the final step, step 4, I already created my chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this workbook. So I'm going to publish it to Tableau server that I'm already connected to. If you're not, you can just click on server and you can connect to whatever server you want to publish this to. Most importantly here is you want to deselect this include external files. What that will do if you have it selected is it will take the data source and publish it with the report. What that means is when you try to refresh the report, that the report won't look back at your Excel file. Instead, it will just reference the data that has already been published with the report. So you want to deselect that, hit yes, and then you can go ahead and publish that. Since I've already published this, it's given me the option to override it. I'll say yes. I go ahead and open the report, and you can see that all the data is here. Just to showcase this example again, if I go ahead and I delete all of this data now and save my Excel file, if I go back to my report and I hit refresh, you can see that it's now updated and removed these 6 months of data. And that's it. Hope that helps.